Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an Evernote account to organize your notes, documents, and ideas, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and initial setup. Step 1. Visit the Evernote website at evernote.com and click Sign Up Free or Get Started to begin creating your account. Step 2. Choose your registration method. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. Step 3. If signing up with email, enter your email address and create a secure password for your Evernote account. Step 4. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. This activates your account. Step 5. Provide basic information about yourself, including your name, to personalize your Evernote experience. Step 6. Choose your Evernote plan. The free plan offers basic features, while personal and professional plans provide additional storage and capabilities. Step 7. Answer questions about how you plan to use Evernote, such as for work, personal organization, or creative projects. This helps customize your experience. Step 8. Complete the initial setup by following the welcome tour if offered, which introduces you to Evernote's key features and interface. Step 9. Create your first notebook by clicking New Notebook in the sidebar. Name it according to your intended use, such as work projects or personal ideas. Step 10. Add your first note by clicking New Note and start typing. You can add text, images, audio, checklists, and attachments to your notes. Step 11. Download the Evernote app for your devices, including desktop apps for Windows or Mac, and mobile apps for iOS or Android to sync across all platforms. Step 12. Explore Evernote features like tags, search, and web clipper to maximize your productivity and organization capabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.